Hi, I'm Deepak Patania and welcome to another episode of The Art of Science. Tornadoes are powerful forces of nature, but we decided to simulate one right in the studio. I'm sure you've liked the presentation. Now be sure to click on the subscribe button so that you don't miss any videos that we release. Out here, I put all the videos in 4 convenient categories so that you can make your choices easily. See more, do more, be more.